close that. Try again. Welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what's popping. Another day in paradise. You know, it's 10 a.m. on a Sunday. We also go live on 10 a.m. on Saturdays. And then 6 p.m. on Wednesdays. That's when you come looking for your boy. Other than that, well, I'm going to just have to see what it do. Got the Rumble video started. Oh, now I popped up. Well, congratulations. See, that's why we do it live. Anyways, welcome back, Rumble. You know, it's your boy TWP doing another video for you. You know how we do. We got stuff to go through, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it in motion. Adrian Carpenter, good to see you. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good, smoking good. If not, hit the buy me a coffee and get you some of that monetization coaching. We'll get you making more money so you can have something to buy some better smoke with. You know how we do. But anyways, let's see. Just have to play all. I'm gonna roll up while we start talking about these videos. You know, moving around, doing good. You know, time's flying by through June. We already in June now, so hell, we ready to see 2026.
Pick a strain, whatever you want, you could get. Indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want drop 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, puffin' the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the body, one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em, it's what the deal is. Recognize coming with burns, Felix with Filming County boy got the liquor. Castle was on the fader. Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple flavors, whatever you want, homie. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like.
Okay, so did you ever think that old, dirty bong water can land you in jail for 30 years? Well, that's exactly what happened literally not too long ago, and what Minnesota is now trying so hard to fix. And speaking of Minnesota, and well, a lot of other states as well actually, you may have heard of someone say, I'm heading down to the res to re-up. Well, it turns out the folks down at the res are selling herb faster than they can grow it. But let's start off with why you should not drive around with an old, used bong filled with old, smelly water.
You need to hear this if you're a fan of intriguing legal stories. In Minnesota, a routine traffic stop took a shocking turn when police discovered bong water in a Jessica Besky car. Here's where it gets interesting. Minnesota law classifies the water in a used bong as a controlled substance due to its THC content, the same psychoactive component found in marijuana. This seemingly minor discovery led to major consequences. The Besky now faces up to 30 years in prison, a potential outcome that's sparking debates about laws and their implications. Is this a fair application of the law?